Hi, Leslie here. Welcome to another daily video on my nature journaling, nature sketching channel. The reason why I am passionate about nature journaling is that it helps me connect to life, and life exists in the present moment. So it helps me stop and pay attention and increase my awareness, and that helps me tap into wonder, which helps me tap into joy. When I stop and look, I am immediately surrounded by wonder. So that is why I do this practice and why I share my videos every single day, or almost every day. So there's life exists in the present moment, and nature journaling can help us because it calls us to tune in, to pay attention with all our senses, all the senses available to us. And that includes felt senses, our heart sense too. So again, let's focus on the present moment and what is here. So what is here for you in this moment? What is here for me is dusk, a breeze that, even though it's hot, has the cool of autumn on it. There's crickets, there's all the black-eyed Susans, rudbeckia here are blasting into bloom, a field of orange. There are trees silhouetted and waving against the dusky sky. So yeah, that's what's here for me. And I am just sitting here, becoming present and practicing. So I don't have to write about it, but I can. And writing a little, even if it's a list, can be great. So I suggest you write a list about what is here, present for you right now. And see if you can circle the wonder. Try it. Did you make a list and circle your wonder? I hope so. And see if you can find something, anything. Remember the other day I talked about the familiar, John O'Donohue. You can check out my video, I'll link it. And how when we start to look at anything in the whole world that we think is familiar, it becomes another universe to us that is full of wonder. So take anything, something the seemingly mundane, like this is some crabgrass that I sketched the other day that has wilted, and it's wilted in the most spectacular and beautiful pattern here. So and this leaf that has curled up, look at that, it's like an ocean wave. How beautiful. Try to find the beauty in the mundane. Just look at this ocean wave, this curling leaf. Wow. So I might do a quick sketch of that just to get in touch with this wave-like feel and beautiful form that has been created just naturally. And as I do that, as I write, as I draw, as I sit outside, as I connect with myself, the universe, nature, and most of all, the present moment. And I want to sketch this wave form that it has, this curled up wave form that it has. So I'm just going to follow it. Just find the wave within. Ah, it blew away. So let's see. But really, I just need to be here with it, and that's okay. All right. I just love this. It really does feel like a crashing wave to me. As it comes up here. So it's really a beautiful, beautiful feeling that I'm getting from this. And that's what I'm looking for as I sketch is a feeling. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking to access life. So accessing life and experiencing perfection are two different things. I'm experiencing the perfection of the moment and all of its wonder and mystery. Whoops. Including the wind taking my leaf away. So I really enjoyed that, and I hope you did too. Remember, the present moment is all we have. This is it. As Thich Nhat Hanh would say, this is it. So let's make it beautiful. Let's make it the best it can possibly be. Let's be in it. Let's enjoy it. Let's breathe. We are alive. Okay? So that's why I'm here nature journaling, and that's why I keep doing this. And I hope that it can bring you a little bit of joy. See you later.